Hi, welcome to the new problem. 20 power x plus 20 power x plus 20 power x all over 10 power x plus 10 power x plus 10 power x equal 100. We have to find the value of x. Now we will start the solution of this question. In the first step, we will take 20 power x common in the numerator. So it will be 20 power x common. We left with 1 plus 1 plus 1. In the same way, we will take 10 power x common in the denominator, so it will become 10 power x common. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 100. Now we can write this as 20 power x times 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1 over 10 power x times 3 equals 100. Now 3 will be cancelled with 3. We left with 20 power x over 10 power x equal 100. Here we will use a formula to find x, which is a power n over b power n equals a over b whole power n. Here we have 20 power x over 10 power x. We can write 20 over 10 whole power x equals 100. So it will becomes 10 1, 10 2, 20. So 2 power x equals 100. Now we will take log on both sides to find x. It will be log of 2 power x equals log of 100. So on the left side we will use power rule. Log of m power n equals n times log of m. So it will be x times log of 2 equals log of 100. We can write 100 as 10 square. Now on the right hand side we will use again the power rule of log. X log of 2 equals 2 times log of 10. So dividing log of 2 on both sides, we will get x equals 2 log of, we can write 10 as 2 into 5 over log of 2. Now we'll use formula log of m cross n. It will be log of m plus log of n. And we'll use this for log of 2 times 5. So x will be equals to 2 log of 2 plus log of 5 divide log of 2 as it is, log of 2 log of 2. So log of 2 will cancel with the log of 2. We get x equals 2 times plus 2 of log of 5 over log of 2. Here we will use another rule of log here, quotient rule, which is log of m over log of n is equal to log of m with the base n. So x will be equal to 2 plus 2 log of 5 with the base 2. That is log of 5 with the base 2. This is the final value of x. Now we will check this value of x, whether this value of x is correct or not. We will put this value of x in the question, given question, to verify left hand side equal right hand side. As we have after simplification 2 power x equal 100, so we will put 2 power, what is x, 2 plus 2 log of 5 with the base 2 equals 100. Now here we will use the formula on the left side, a power m plus n equals a power m times a power n, 2 square times 2 power 2 log of 5 with the base 2 equals 100. Now 2 square is 4. We will take this coefficient of 2 on and the power of 5, so 2 power log of 5 square with the base 2. Now it will become 5 square is 25, it will 4 times 2 to the power log of 25 with the base 2 equals 100. Now we will once again use the formula here for the second term, that is 2 power log of 25 with the base 2. The formula which is used here, that is written as a to the power log of b with the base a always equals to b. Here a is 2 and b is 25, so it will be 4 times b, which is 25, equal 100. 4 into 25 is 100, so 100 equal 100, which means left hand side equal right hand side. So our value of x is totally correct. So please like the video, share, subscribe, comment, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of the new video. Thank you for watching.